Hey, VisionAutoworks here with an Acura RDX second generation headlight package finished up today. This customer went with brand new OE style headlights coming from a factory halogen setup. If you own this vehicle, you know the headlight performance is really poor. And so we offer a conversion for the Acura RDX where we upgrade the factory halogen or the HID equipped projectors to a bi-LED system. These bi-LED projectors are instant on, never really have to worry about replacing bulbs, ballast dying, anything like that. They're just ready to roll out of the box and serve many years of use. These headlights, this build specifically using OE style headlights, these are the halogen equipped. We did the bi-LED conversion and pretty much just kept it clean and simple, OEM plus. This customer is really just drives this car from A to B and wants a better light output, so there wasn't really any cosmetic modifications added to this. And that's kind of what we've been finding lately with most of these second gen RDX builds. They're going to be kind of like OEM plus for the most part. So while it may not look like anything has been done, that's kind of what most people are going for. So we're going to light this thing up and give you guys a look. I was blowing out the camera, so I'm going to reduce the exposure a little bit here. And as you can see, it's a nice bright white light, instant on operation. Bi-LED projectors, the bi stands for low and high beam. So you do get a high beam increase in output as well as a low beam increase. This increase is substantial. Once you see properly retrofitted lights on the road, you really just are doing yourself a disservice and not having a setup like this, especially if you have a vehicle like the RDX with halogen headlights. You really just can't compete and compare to any newer vehicle on the road today which may have factory HID or LED headlights. So if you want to order a package like this for your second gen Acura RDX, we have a headlight package available on our website at VisionAutoworks.com, where you can spec out a package, set it up the way you want it, customize it out if that's your thing, or just order the package as is and get an OEM plus looking set of lights just like these. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website. Thanks.